Hey guys, just wanted to come share this quick video for Arroz with gandules, and that's rice with rice with pigeon peas, I'm sorry. Pigeon peas, and I've got some recao in here, which is made up of garlic, green pepper, red onions, and cilantro. Okay, and I saute that just in a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add some tomato sauce to this. Maybe about 1/3 of the can. And again, I'm making this is going to be for Mother's Day. Alright, I also added some sazon and garlic in there, extra garlic. Okay, now I'm going to add the rice. The rice has been rinsed 4 times to remove a lot of the starchy residue that it has. So the 4th time the water rinsed pretty clear. So that's good. Now I'm adding my rice and mix everything together. I'm also going to add some oregano in here, which I really should have added to the sauce mix, but it's fine. I can still add it in. I'm also going to add some gandules. Okay, and that's about a 2/3 teaspoon of oregano. Let this all come together. Okay, I've got my heat on medium high. Okay, guys, well, I'm glad you're here. Welcome, welcome. And for those that are new, those of you that are new, welcome to you too. Okay, and this is just something that I wanted to put together for Mother's Day. I had already made a brisket, barbecue chicken legs, a ricotta cheesecake. That was the first time I've ever made a ricotta cheesecake. Okay. Now I'm going to add my gandules. This is a can of gandules. Any brand you use is fine. I think this is Goya. I'm also going to add olives. I like to cut them up. I haven't done that yet. So I'll most likely add them while the rice is cooking, or waiting for the water to boil a little bit before I cover the rice, because I like to let it boil, the water to boil down first and almost evaporate before I cover the rice. For some reason, it cooks the rice better than me that way. Okay. Now, I didn't add any salt to that. I'm going to add that now, because I don't like, even though I watch my salt intake, I don't like bland tasting rice. It's just not good. Okay, and that was about half a teaspoon. And what I'm going to do is I'll taste it. When the water gets hot, I'm going to add water to this, and I'll taste it. And if I feel it needs more salt, then I'll add it. But I don't want to add a lot of salt. All right. Alrighty, so now we're going to add our water. So this is 3 cups of rice. So it's supposed to be 2 cups per cup of rice, but I'm gonna add only about a cup and a half per cup of rice. So I'm adding 4.5 cups water. And that's because I don't want the rice to be mushy. And I want the rice to separate well when I serve it. I don't like sticky rice. Okay, and we're gonna put our heat a little higher so we can bring that to a boil. And then we'll lower it again and cover it. And let it cook for about 20 minutes. Might be a little bit longer because this is a large amount of rice. Okay, then we've got our olives, sliced up. Added that in there. I'll probably add a little bit more. Okay, so here's the rice boiling. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until more of the liquid is evaporated. So you can see more of the rice. And then we're going to cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes covered. Okay, and it's going to be with a tight lid. Okay, I wanted to bring you guys up a little bit closer so you can see how much of the liquid is evaporated. Okay, you see that's a lot less liquid than what we started with. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cover the rice. Okay, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. We'll check on it. But we're not going to uncover the lid because uncover the rice because we don't want to stop the cooking if it's not done. Okay, so I'm going to cover that. Come back in 20 minutes. Okay guys, our rice should be ready. Okay, there, yeah, yes it is, there you go. Look how nice and fluffy it is. All the liquid is absorbed. It's nicely cooked. Okay, this is our arroz with gandules. Okay, this is authentic Puerto Rican rice. A lot of Hispanics like to cook their rice like this. Okay, this is how I cook it too. This is how it's cooked in my home. I mean, we cook it in many different ways. We enjoy all different ways of preparing rice, but mostly for the holidays, this is the rice that I prepare, and for special occasions. Okay, this is the rice that I also grew up with. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just bringing the bottom to the top to make sure it's everything is nice and mixed. Because remember, it was sitting there covered. So we got to bring everything together. All right. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Hope you guys make this. It's delicious. It's a fun rice to make. Not hard at all, very simple. Just got to get all your ingredients ready, put them all together, and you're done. Okay, guys. Hope to see you again.